Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I will use the Amazon package I received. I have already measured my tips, which for my nails are starting from pinky 9, 6, 4, 6, and 1. I usually file my nails before I apply the glue. I'm grabbing the nail glue and of course starting to apply my tips on. Another tip I could give out is to apply nail glue on top of the tip and natural nail to have them more secure. I feel like for me it honestly really works. I did apply my right hand tips off camera and also decided to cut the tips to my desired length. I am doing a medium-sized coffee shape type of nail on today's video. I did also cut the edges off camera. It just seemed a little easier, but if you guys want a whole video on how I trim the tips of the length and shape I like, just let me know in the comment section below and I will do a video on that. Overall, of the tip strength, it's actually really good. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Going to be opening the acrylic liquid. The acrylic liquid did feel a bit empty, not completely full. And pouring a good amount onto the dish tray. To be using the number 4 brush to apply the acrylic liquid to powder. The package did come with pink, white, and clear powder, but today I will be using the clear powder. Or wash towel either near you or underneath your hand to dry off your brush when needed. I was a bit scared because I was reading, of course, the reviews on this Amazon kit, and some of them were saying that the acrylic liquid wouldn't stick with the powder or something in that sort. And honestly, I would say this is way better product than the Kiss Salon acrylic kit. Not hating at all, but that's my honest opinion. Maybe I just got lucky, but who knows. I did do my right hand off camera just because I feel like it's a little easier on me and not boring on you guys to watch. So yes, I did finish both of my hands. Now for the fun part, filing your nails down. I am no professional acrylic nail liquid to powder artist, so that's why it takes forever to make my nails smooth. I'm pretty sure you can notice, but hey, the only thing that matters is that I'm trying to accomplish it. So enjoy me filing my nails down for about 10 years. I'm just kidding. For the colors, I will be applying a silver and red look on my nails. I am using a number 10 brush to apply the color powder to my nails. Now, before anything, this is acrylic powder color. Powder, I guess, wasn't sticking to either my nail or the acrylic liquid very well, but I tried and tried and tried making it work. I ended up giving up on it because honestly it looked like a big blob and I wasn't satisfied with the color powder at all. Filing all the silver color down and just painted my nails with white nail polish and also finish my nails with a matte nail top coat and also adding a bit of sparkle. Go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for next week's video. Thank you all so much for watching.